have watched a lot of movies at this point, and I've made a list of 30 movies, 33 movies, or maybe 40 movies. I've watched around 10 to 15 movies right now from the list that I've made. In that list, the first movie that I saw, which I haven't completed yet, it's Her, the Walking Phoenix movie, and I liked it. The first part seen, and it's pretty good. I'll finish this movie soon. And the second movie, the same actress who is in Her, I have seen her second movie. It's Johansson's movie, Lost in Translation. Good movie. I loved it. I loved the main guy. He's also in Groundhog Day, so I've watched technically that movie too. I loved Groundhog Day, first movie that I enjoyed, which was about time loop and all that. And then the third movie that is there with the that I haven't seen in my list is Parasite. बट पैरासाइट के साथ मेरे साथ सीन हो गया कि मैं बहुत सारे स्पॉयलर्स मिल चुके हैं मुझे पैरासाइट के लिए लेकर, तो आई डोंट थिंक आई एम दैट इंटरेस्टेड इन पैरासाइट. But Parasite is such a good movie. It won an Oscar. Bong Joon-ho is the director, who's also made Memories of Murder, which I have seen and I wasn't spoiled about in this movie. I wasn't spoiled. So it was such a great watch. I loved it. The
Most interesting and complex films on this entire list is the Korean serial killer police procedural Memories of Murder, directed by the same director who did The Host.
fourth movie in my list that I have watched is the guy from Kung Fu Panda. His movie School of Rock. Amazing. I loved it. लाइक उससे उसमें वो भी एक्ट्रेस है जो डिज्नी का बहुत पॉपुलर शो आता है, उसमें उसमें एक्ट किया उसने, द गर्ल आई डोंट नो. फिर हमारी मेरी लिस्ट में फिफ्थ मूवी जो है वो है सेवन सनराइज, विच आई हैवेंट सीन. स्पिरिटेड अवे की मैंने बहुत सारी क्लिप्स देखी हैं, सो आई एम काइंड ऑफ नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन इट. देन the seventh movie is a Wes Anderson movie, which is The Grand Budapest Hotel. I have seen it आधी, बट मेरा फ्लो टूट गया तो मैंने क्विट कर दी, जो कि मुझे देखनी चाहिए, एक्चुअली अच्छी मूवी है. I instantly, the first thing that about like Wes Anderson is the way he shoots the movies. I mean, amazing. I love the framing. Everything is so beautiful in his movies, and like the fact is he's different. I have to say he's very different from the other directors. Whiplash is one more movie that is in my list, which I haven't seen, but I'm spoiled about it. Like everybody has talked about it, and I'm like, I want to see the movie, but at the same time, I have seen so much about it. Like I kind of get scared. कि देख तो रखिए basically reels में. Then there's this movie, Prisoner, that I have seen of Jake Gyllenhaal and the guy from Wolverine. I think that's the guy. So yeah, I liked it. It was pretty good. Like I like the performances in that movie. I was like amazed by the performances, and there were three actors in the movie. जो रिसेंटली आपने बैटमैन में वो एक्टर देखा था जो विलन प्ले करता है, आ, वो था इसमें. वो बंदा तो बहुत ही अमेजिंग है यार. आई लव हिम टू. देन देर इज अनदर मूवी विच इज़ एन ऑस्कर विनिंग मूवी, बर्डमैन, जो कि मैंने नहीं देखी है बट मैं देखूंगा, एंड आई हर्ड अबाउट इट वेरी मच. देन देर इज स्पेस ऑडिसी. स्पेस ऑडिसी इज अ मूवी विच इज every actor that I have seen their interviews has talked about this. A Space Odyssey 2001, Space Odyssey.
2001 A Space Odyssey.
2001 A Space Odyssey.
2001 Space Odyssey.
2001.
2001.
2001.
2001.
2001 A Space.
Uh, then I have seen Akira, which is an animated movie. Amazing, brilliant movie. But I have to say that like मेरे को इतनी कुछ खास समझ नहीं आई, सो डोंट आस्क मी कि तूने देखी तुझे. मुझे एनिमेशन अच्छी लगी बेसिकली. Akira is very colorful movie. That's what people say. One more thing I loved about it was the slide. I get the reference now कि Akira slide क्यों बोला जाता है, क्योंकि वो बंदा slide, and that's, I think that was the first time that anybody did that on screen. So it's famous. Every movie has done it now. Then I have to see The Shining. It's also a great movie. The guy who plays Joker, I think he was few like Joker. जो लोगों ने प्ले किया है उनमें से एक एक्टर है जिसने जोकर को पोर्ट्रे किया है, एंड एट द सेम टाइम ही हैज डन शाइनिंग व्हिच इज अमेजिंग। स्लैशर मूवी है नहीं, आई डोंट थिंक इट्स अ स्लैशर, इट्स आई थिंक अ हॉरर काइंड ऑफ जॉनरा में आती है, मेंटल वाली मूवी है, मेंटल थ्रिलर समथिंग लाइक दैट। देन इंटरस्टेलर, आई वॉच्ड इंटरस्टेलर एंड आई हैव टू से इंटरस्टेलर वाज गुड। I liked it. There were a few parts where I was like, what's going on? Why is he? Then there's one more movie that I have seen is Gladiator and Children of Men, which I haven't seen. Children of Men, but मैंने Gladiator देखी है. Amazing movie. I have seen Rush, जिसमें थॉर वाला क्रिस क्रिस हैम्सवर्थ प्ले करता है रश में, और रश में एक और एक्टर है जो है इज फ्रॉम द मूवी सिविल वॉर। सिविल वॉर का जो मेन विलन है रश में, ये दोनों जुगलबंदी इनकी बहुत बढ़िया, आई लव रश। फिर मैंने एक और मूवी देखनी है विच इज़ आई टानिया, तानिया, शी इज़ अ फिंगर स्केटर और आइस स्केटर है वो बंदी, वेरी गुड मूवी। क्रीड फ्रेंचाइज देखनी है मुझे, रॉकी फ्रेंचाइज देखनी है मुझे। आई लव मूवीज अबाउट लाइक बॉक्सिंग एंड मार्शल आर्ट, आई एम अ बिग फैन ऑफ मार्शल आर्ट्स। सो ये तो हो गया मूवीज़ का। अब हम जाते हैं एनिमेज में, जो मैंने एनिमे देखे हैं, एंड आई हैव वॉच्ड अ लॉट ऑफ एनिमेज।